In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Steam apps folder. By the end, you'll know exactly where your installed Steam games live on your Windows PC, so you can manage files, install mods, or back things up with confidence. First, open File Explorer. You can do this by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar or by pressing the Windows key and E together. If File Explorer opens to Quick Access or Home, that's fine. We're just heading to the main view of your computer. Next, look at the left-hand sidebar and click This PC. This view shows all your drives and common folders. Steam is usually installed on your main drive, which is often labeled Local Disk, Cs. If you installed Steam or your games on a different drive to save space, you'll want to select that drive instead. For now, click the drive where you believe Steam is installed. Inside the drive, you'll see several folders. Open the folder named Program Files, x86. This is the default location for many 32-bit applications on Windows, and Steam commonly installs here by default. If you don't see a Steam folder inside Program Files, check the regular Program Files folder just above it. Some setups place Steam there instead, and that's perfectly normal. Once you're in the correct Program Files folder, open the Steam folder. This is Steam's main installation directory, and it contains all the files Steam needs to run, along with the libraries that hold your game content. Inside the Steam folder, find and open the steamapps folder. This is the key location that stores your game libraries, downloads, and manifests. If you don't see steamapps here, double check that you're on the right drive or in the correct Program Files folder, because that usually means Steam was installed somewhere else. Finally, open the common folder. This is the destination you were looking for. The common folder contains a separate subfolder for each game you've installed in this Steam library. For example, you'll see folder names matching your games, and inside those, you'll find the actual game files, useful for installing mods, copying saves that live alongside game data, or troubleshooting specific titles. A quick tip before we wrap up, it's best not to delete or move files here unless you know what they do. If you're making changes, consider creating a backup copy of any file you edit. And remember, if you have multiple drives, you might have more than one steamapps folder. Repeat these steps on another drive if you don't find the game you're looking for right away. That's it. You've located your steamapps and common folders. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.